Vuyokazi Nciweni showed us her new boyfriend. He looks like he is fat, but the important is love. Even the person have got a big body or a small body, we want Vuyokazi to be happy. We don't want to be disappointed by that man and Damsey again. Other people, they say is a Nigerian guy. I don't think that he is a Nigerian guy because Nigerians, they don't being in South Africa now. I don't think he is a South African because South African men are complaining about Nigerians that they are taking their women what. I don't think that he is a Nigerian. Vuyokazi, she looks very happy with that man. The important is happiness. They value each other. They respect each other. That's the important. Vuyokazi moved on. Guys, Vuyokazi can't stay a long time without a boyfriend. Look at her. She is beautiful, everything. You know that when you are a public figure, every man want a woman like Vuyokazi to be on public, to have got followers on Instagram, Facebook, everything. That's men dated Vuyokazi not for followers, but I think that they are in good relationship together, not for followers, because we don't want him to disappoint us on social media. We saw Vuyokazi is heartbroken again. He will not play with her heart. So what about Mphumelelo? Mphumelelo, he moved on long time ago with Amahle. I don't think there is a need Mphumelelo to be jealous. Mphumelelo was not in love with Vuyokazi. Even at the first time, Musa Mseleku was the one who forced Mphumelelo to go and take Vuyokazi at her parents' home, because Mphumelelo was the one who told Musa Mseleku that he have a child. Musa Mseleku told Mphumelelo their agreement that we agreed that when you pregnant a woman, you have to marry her by force. So Musa Mseleku was the reason why Vuyokazi was staying with Mphumelelo, but Mphumelelo was not in love with Vuyokazi. I think Mphumelelo, he is happy to see Vuyokazi moved on. Even they have got kids. If Mphumelelo was in love with Vuyokazi, he was putting more effort to be in that relationship, but Mphumelelo doesn't put his effort. Guys, a man doesn't love you, he can't put his effort to back together like Musa Mseleku and Mayeni. Musa Mseleku doesn't give up on Mayeni. At that time they separate. He go back and begging Mayeni because he is in love with Mayeni. But when it comes to Vuyokazi and Mphumelelo, Vuyokazi saw that Mphumelelo, he is not in love with her. So I am happy to see her to move on. Guys, Vuyokazi, she is still young. She have got feelings, that girl. She needs a man in her life. That's why we saw she moved, because Vuyokazi was staying with her mother. But now Vuyokazi, she is staying alone. She wants her privacy to be with her own man in her that house she is staying now. So I love Vuyokazi a lot. I don't want to see her crying again. That man, he doesn't disappoint us people on social media, because we don't want to see Vuyokazi crying again to break her heart. So guys, it's very important. Love is very important than anything. Even people, they can say he is too fat, he is what, they can judge that man, his body. But the important is love, because only we want women is love. It's not about his body, that he is too big to Vuyokazi. What people, they comment, guys, on comment section, they say what they want to say about her, but the important is happy. Don't look that man, a man who is handsome. You want a handsome man, but that man doesn't value you, doesn't respect you. It doesn't make any sense. The important that he respects her, he loves her, because you have to go to a person who values you, not to a man who don't value you. So people, they can say about his body what, the body doesn't matter. His heart, as long his heart is in love with her, that's the important, not about his body what. People, we can talk what you want to talk, and we know that people, we can, even she took slim guy, we can comment what we want to comment. So it's her choice as long she is happy in her relationship.